Hello and welcome to Magnetic Symbols. My name is Paul and it has been a long time since our last video, so thank you for waiting. Today's video is a little different from the other ones. It's about writing in a journal. I call this series Magnetic Journal. Writing in a journal with an actual book and pen is a very powerful exercise. I like to do in the morning or at night. It's a great way to start the day or end the day. I write about things that have happened in my life that inspire me or uplift me, make me feel calm and satisfied. Or I may write about things that I appreciate in my life, things that I have now. Or I sometimes write about things that I would like to experience in the future. You can choose anything you like. The magnetic symbol or Japanese kanji character that I have chosen to best represent the journal entry I'm about to read is this character, Ji or Shi. It is the first part of the word for oneself, and it is also the first part of the word nature. The picture itself comes from an old form for the picture of the human nose, as people in the East point to their nose when they refer to themselves. I. And now I'm going to read Orchestra in the Rain. Orchestra in the Rain. This afternoon, as I decided to go for a run in the bush, I noticed the dark grey clouds above and felt the first few drops of cold rain fall down and kiss my skin. There was nobody else at all as I found myself running up and down bush tracks in a eucalypt forest as the rain fell harder. And that's when I noticed the bush orchestra. It began with the steady background humming of cicadas, and then a few birds joined in, chirping, singing and whistling. And then came the laughter of the kookaburra, echoing through the forest as the rain intensified. I was soaked to the skin with the rain pounding down all around me, and at that moment I realized that I was connected to all this. Me, the bush, and the animals were experiencing this moment together. I closed my eyes and bathed in this magnificent field of energy and remarked quietly to myself, life doesn't get much better than this. Later, as the rain eased and the symphony was coming to an end, I heard the music of another band of singers, the invisible frogs, croaking with delight as the creek flowed, more fully now, towards the sea. Thank you for watching today's video, Magnetic Journal, Orchestra in the Rain. And I encourage you, if you're not already doing so, to write in your own journal. I would love to hear about your interactions with nature in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Have a great day.